Hello, my name is Mary Lou. My husband John and I live in Minnesota and we have a cabin in Wisconsin. For many years, the cabin had well water, which had a lot of iron in it. And so our toilet, our sinks, our shower would get very stained with the rust. And we would bring water from home for drinking and for cooking because we didn't want to use that water. But in 2012, we had the kitchen and the bathroom remodeled and decided we needed to address the problem with the iron in the water. So we looked into Aquarius and we got their whole system there, which eliminated about 99% of the iron in the water. It was amazing. We were so pleased with the results. And now we, for 12 years, have enjoyed having that cleaner water that doesn't stain, and we can drink it, we can use it for cooking. I would highly recommend, if you have problems similar to ours, that you try and look into Aquarius equipment for your problem, and I hope you will be satisfied as we are. The company is very good at coming for service appointments. They come within the time that they've told us they would be there, and they're friendly. They answer all our questions. So again, I would highly recommend them if you're thinking about something to do with your water problem. Thank you.